What's up, TikTok family? On today's menu, the ghetto chef is making a grinder sandwich. See all my little ingredients. No, I'm not putting that in there. Got the different meats, paws. The little sauce to go on the bread has been mixed up already. Somebody couldn't wait for me to get my recording apparatus before they started. You know how black people do. Walmart didn't have any submarine sandwich oil, so I used Newman's Own classic oil and vinegar. Had to substitute. And the young lettuce. Got somebody over here pointing at stuff. They want to be the leader so bad.
Don't do that.
You know it's about to be good. You know it's about to be good when I bust out the garlic butter, the Parmesan and basil. Got the young bread, the butter on it, about to throw it in the oven. Added my pepper jack cheese and my Kobe cheese. About to throw this in the oven, let that melt. Added the meat, got some salami, some ham, my personal favorite turkey. Fresh out the oven. I done add the little spread or sauce or whatever you call it. Added my tomatoes. Added the pickles, the gardenias, the banana peppers. Sandwich is almost ready to eat. Grinders sandwich viral TikTok trend.
Oh, listen, man. That looks good. A lot of sauce.
The ghetto chef D nice.
Is it good?
It's alright. I paid for it and fixed it. So yeah, it's good.